What's up everyone, my name is Russell Nanis and I'm here to show you a laptop that's a total game changer for all students out there. We all know how tough it is to find a laptop that can handle everything you throw at, from endless research paper to a group project and late night stream assignment without costing a fortune. That's why I'm super excited about this laptop. The laptop branch of this is Dell. Has Intel Core i5 vPro 8 Gen. This one. And don't let the technical name scare what you mean. This mean is serious speed and reliable. This thing of power. You have a dozen browser tabs open for research to be and have a video hall or class presentation and have a music play in the background without any lag for each student. All students out there with your crazy student schedule so that you can focus on your studies, not on a computer slow. And that's about the connection of this laptop. Comes with 2 ports, must we have any student. First one, we have the HDMI. This one, HDMI is different for high definition multiple interface. What are the uses? It is aware some of when you connect to a project in a group studies room, or even better, when you want to hook up with a big screen TV for a movie night or play some games. No need for annoying adapters. And for those time when the dorm Wi-Fi is acting up, you'll be thinking for this laptop, luckily for the stars of the internet board, RJ45. This one. This port that lets you plug physical internet cable for a direct, sustainable, and fast internet connection. It is a lifesaver for online exam or submission that crucial assignments right before the deadline without cutting the Wi-Fi. But here's the best part of it. What's make this ultimate student laptop? All this power and connectivity is available for just 3,500. That's an incredible price for a laptop. Which this kind of performance and future is a smart investment your studies and won't break the bank. So you're looking for a budget laptop, reliable, powerful, and affordable laptop that's ready for anything. This laptop Dell, what makes you come and check it out, guys. Thank you.